Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, first of all I want to appreciate you guys for supporting the brand, for subscribing to the channel and liking our videos. Okay guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you a very simple strategy that you can easily use to trade crash and boom successfully. Okay, very easy strategy to milk the crash and boom market. So now guys, first of all, the first thing you want to do is you click on this F icon here. Okay, click on the F icon, so add our indicators. Right, then you look for RSI, relative strength index. Okay guys, this is our relative strength index. All right, so this is how you set up your RSI. Your period should be left at 1, apply to close 2 pixel. Your levels is, first one is 90, second one is 5, 80, 5, 15 and 5. Okay, you go back and you click done. You click done, make sure you click done. Okay, you click done. Okay, as you can see, our RSI window has appeared in the chart. Then the next thing you want to add is you go back to this F icon, click on this F icon. Okay guys, I just want to carry everybody along. You click on the F icon, then you click on this main chart. You click here on main chart, right? Click there, right? Then you look for relative strength index. We are adding to relative strength index. Okay, so you click on it and you leave the parameters the same. Okay, period 1, close, and levels the same thing. Then you click on done. Okay, now we have the two RSI windows set. So you go back to this F icon, right? Then you click on indicator window 1 here, indicator in the 1. Okay, so you click on it, then you look for moving average. This is our moving average. This is our moving average here, right? So then your period, your moving average for the parameters, your period should be 10, your shift is 1, your method is linear width, then it's applied to close, then style is 3 pixel. All right, then you click done. As you can see, our moving average has appeared in the RSI window. Then you go back to the F icon, you click on the F icon, then you click on sorry, let me take this down. You click here, you click on this indicator window 2. Okay, then you click on it, then you look for Ichimoku. Here's my Ichimoku. You look for Ichimoku. All right, then you click on it. Then this is your parameters. Your Tenkan Sen should be 9, 9, 9. Then your style is 3 pixel, 3 pixel, and 1 pixel, 1 pixel. Okay, and in your style, the first color is black and the second color is brown. Okay, but you can use any color of your choice, but make sure the colors, make sure the colors here match with the color of your background. If you are using a dark background, turn these colors to be dark, but if you are using a white background like me, leave the colors to be white. Okay, then you click done. All right, so guys, our parameters are set. So guys, before I explain how this strategy works, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, subscribe to this channel. This channel will help you make money. Okay, and also for those that will be watching this video till the end, I will be giving you a bonus. I'll be showing you a tweak. Okay, I'll be showing you something that will help improve your trade, especially while trading crash and boom. Okay, for those that will watch the video to the end, you'll be getting that as a bonus. All right, so how do you trade with this strategy? Okay, go back to the 1 minute time frame, then you squeeze the chart. Okay, squeeze it to the smallest. This is the smallest. All right, see the smallest, then you squeeze it one more time, just one more time. Okay, like this. All right, so how do you trade with this strategy? This is the criteria. Whenever price aligns, whenever there's a spike, okay, the market overbought, and your first RSI window, your moving average is above 80, and here also in your Ichimoku indicator your moving average is above 80, you enter for a sell and you take 10 candles. Okay guys, listen to me. You enter for a sell and you take 10 candles. All right, let me show you one more example before I tell you why I placed this trade that is currently running. Okay, one more example. Okay, we have another good example here. Look at it. A spike was here, a spike happened, okay, and there was a little consolidation there. All right, and here also the moving average got to, it touched 90, it got to 80, it went above 80. Then here also the Ichimoku got above 80. So whenever you see these two criteria play out, you take your sell position, okay, and you scalp for 10 candles. You scalp for 10 candles. Okay, now, but guys, if you understand price action, you will know how to milk the market very well. You know how to make the market very well. Look at my trade. I have a trade currently running. Okay, look at what happened here. The criteria was met. There was a spike here. This was a correctional spike. It was a correction. Then it came and retested this level, and here also. And I looked at the market structure. The market is in a downtrend. This market will keep selling for a long time before it will start going back up. So that was why I took my sell position here, and I am confidently holding the trade. Can you see the trend is now getting weak? A little spike just occurred here. So guys, now for the bonus that I promised you, okay, for the bonus that I promised you, now there is something you have to understand. All right, when you are trading, there is just, many people know how to trade, many people understand trading, but they just lack little knowledge, little understanding to help them harness their trading and maximize profit. Now if you are trading and you are using it and you are trading with a small account and you are still new to trading, excuse me, you have to understand that whenever you are trading, you have to trade with small volume. You always have to trade with small volume. If you are trading with an account that is below $20 or even $50, you have to understand that you are trading with a small volume, okay, with a small volume, and you stand little chance against the market. Now let me show you something. If you enter a trade now and the spike catches you, okay, this is the longest spike we can get. This is the longest spike we can get on a trade. This is the longest spike we can get. From here, this level is 10,474 to here. Well, let's just say here. This is 10,444. That's, let's just say 400. Let's just count the three last numbers here. Look at what I'm showing you here, guys. Just stay with me. You understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, let's say this level here, this level, okay, to this level. This is the distance that the spike took. That was how far the spike happened, and the spike occurred within 2 minutes. Okay, so now let me show you something. From here is 422, then here is 474. So the spike was about 40 something pips. Okay, the spike that occurred here was about 40 something pips. But if you enter a trade here, you are trading it wrongly. You are doing the wrong practice. Okay, I'm just trying to show you, give you an illustration. This is an overbought. This is an oversold zone. That was why the market started going upward. That was why the spike was heavy. The spike was strong. Okay, that was why the spike was strong, because the market is in an oversold. Okay, and the market is trying to correct this structure. Now what I'm trying to show you is that a spike that will happen in crash and boom can go as far as 20 pips. Guys, stay with me. You understand something that will help you in your trading account. Can go as far as 20 pips, okay, or 15 pips, or 30 pips in some cases. Okay, but if you enter a trade in the right position, a breakout candle can have like let's say 15 pips, can give you like 15 pips or 20 pips. Okay, 20 pips. Now you are trading a small account and a spike catches you of 20 pips, and you open a position of 0.20 lot size. Now calculate your loss. 20 pips times 0.20 lot size will give you $4. Okay, this is $4. So you have an account of $20, and a single spike catches you, and you have a loss of $4. Can you see that this automatically puts you in a position where you not start thinking correctly, because you're already in a loss? You've had a big loss. Your account is a small account. You've had a big loss. So how do you correct this, and how do you trade with smaller volumes, so you can, so no matter how far the price breaks out, or how far a spike goes, your account don't get blown, okay? And your account don't get blown. So what do you do about this? Now you have to start opening trades with little lot size as small as 0.10, okay, or 0.05, okay. If you're using a $10 account to trade crash and boom, or if you're using a $20 account or a $30 account, these are the lot size recommended for you to use while trading, okay. Now you'll be wondering that the minimum lot size of crash and boom is just 0.20. How do I set a lot size of 0.05? Okay, I'm going to show you that now quickly. Okay, so how do you do that? Now you've done your analysis and you want to place a trade. Okay, you simply click here, the trade icon button. Okay, you click on it. Maybe you want to sell this market. Okay, then the lot size that you want to use is, let's say, 0.10, okay, or 0.05. This is what you do. You add this 0.10 or 0.05 to this maximum lot size here. You add it. So let's say you add 10. 0.10 plus 0.20 will give you 30. So you now open the trade with 30 lot size. You now sell the market. All right. When you sell the market, you wait for the price to enter profit. Okay, you wait for price to enter profit. All right, you wait for price to enter profit, then you quickly close. But this time around, you don't close everything. You first of all adjust the lot size here. Okay, then you remove the 20. You remove 20. Okay, you remove 20, and what you have left is 10. Then you close. Okay, can you see, guys? I now have a position open with 0.10 lot size. Okay, now this puts my account in a lower risk. Okay, so because you cannot be perfect, you cannot predict the market perfectly. Okay, you cannot be correct 100 times, you cannot be perfect 100 times. So whenever you are wrong, you'll still be safe, because a little portion of your account is a little volume of your account is being traded. Okay, now let me just show you one more example with 0.05. Just one more example, and we are done with this video. Okay, so if you want to open an account with a lot size of 0.05, okay, you come here, you adjust the position to 25, okay, then you sell the market, then you wait. Once it gets to profit, then you close. All right, it's in profit. So I remove the 5 and leave 20, then I close. Can you see? I now have 0.05 lot size running. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to also like this video. Okay, guys, and if you also want to join our VIP group, okay, we have a premium VIP group where we teach you how to trade using price action, how to trade crash and boom using price action, how to also trade other volatility pairs. Okay, if you want to join our VIP group, it's a paid VIP group. Just send me a message, okay, and I will add you to the group. I promise you, the group gives the value that we get from the group is 100 times the money you're going to pay. Okay, most of my students are already making profits. Okay, so guys, you know, if you've seen my videos, you know that I'm all about value. Okay, So guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, thank you guys.